Hello all, welcome to DIY series with Dr. Gauri. So today we are discussing on dandruff, what are the natural remedies which you can do at home to help treating your dandruff or bring it in control basically. So we'll wait for few more followers to join in and then we will start with it. So basically, what is this dandruff? Dandruff is basically medically it is also called as seborrheic dermatitis. So where you have dry, itchy scalp. Hi Seema, hope you are doing good. So yeah, it helps with the dandruff is basically dry itchy scalp where there is scalp irritation constantly. So I'm just going to explain today what are the natural ways you can treat your dandruff. Okay, so I have two remedies which I have already worked on. So here is the virgin coconut oil which I'm taking, and this is Bhimseni Kapoor. Okay, if you don't have Bhimseni Kapoor, don't worry, you can take your regular Kapoor which is available, or camphor which is available. So what I have done, I've crushed this camphor just with the help of spoon. Okay, on a hard surface with the help of a spoon I've just crushed it. So to this, so what I'm going to do is take 2 spoons of virgin coconut oil. Okay, and to this we will add Bhimseni Kapoor, around half a teaspoon. Okay, and I'll add to this rosemary essential oil, 2 drops of rosemary essential oil, and give it a gentle stir. Okay, and when you are applying this mixture, you can gently warm this for around a minute or so under a double boiler, or in a microwave also it's fine, for just 10 to 20 seconds. And this oil, what you can do, take a cotton swab, okay, deep in this, and just apply it all over your scalp area. Apply it and leave it for around 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes you can just shampoo your hair, and you can repeat this procedure after about say twice a week. Okay, this is really effective. I have done it for myself, and a lot of my friends who had dandruff issues, it has really helped them as well. So this is a very easy DIY. 2 drops of rosemary essential oil, 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil, to which I have added half a teaspoon of Bhimseni Kapoor. Okay, so this is the first easy DIY. So the second one is with Rasool clay. Okay, Rasool clay, coconut milk, and baking soda. So baking soda will work like an exfoliant. Okay, our scalp also needs scrubbing effect, so for that we are going to make with this. So let me keep the first one aside and take the ingredients which I need for the second remedy. So I'm taking first dry ingredient. So baking soda, I'm taking a spoonful of it. Okay, to which I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Rasool clay. Okay, Rasool clay helps for soothing the scalp. So mix the dry ingredient properly. Now to this we will add adequate amount of coconut milk. First I am adding just 2 tablespoons. We just want a paste kind of thing for texture. Okay, see, depending on your hair length you can take as per that, you can increase or decrease the quantity. So I'll need little more. It should not be runny. Okay, see, this is the desired consistency. Yeah. Okay. In that I will add tea tree essential oil, around 3 to 4 drops. Tea tree is again antibacterial and antifungal as well. Where we get Rasool clay? You can order Rasool clay from Amazon, or if you want to order from us, you can just DM me. We also have Rasool clay available. See here. It smells also really nice, and it's really nourishing, plus it will help treating your dry and itchy scalp. Yeah, if you have any questions, you are most welcome to text me. I'll answer it. And people who have missed watching the video can see it on our YouTube channel, Skin Revive. Yeah. So yeah, now we are coming up with this whipped soap workshop, which is on 9th of June. So these are two whipped soap which I recently made. This is an exfoliating one with sugar, and this is just a foaming one, and they smell so amazing. They're very nourishing as well. Can be used on face, body as well. Even people who shave can use it as a foamer kind of thing. They look so pretty and tempting. So if anybody wants to registration have already started. The workshop will be we are taking the slots for only 10 students. Already I have got 5 registrations, so 5 seats are still remaining. So if somebody wants to register for a whip soap workshop, which is on 9th of June at 11 AM, so they are most welcome to just DM me. I'll share the charges and stuff for the same. Yeah, thank you for watching the video, and really try this 2 amazing recipes. One was with coconut oil, then Bhimseni Kapoor, and in that I had added rosemary essential oil. Okay, and the other one was with Rasool clay, baking soda, and in this I had added tea tree essential oil and coconut milk. So try this both remedies and just share me your feedback. Thanks a lot for joining. See you soon. Thank you.